How to add effects in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and then open your project. Head to the edit page where most of the effects can be easily applied. In the top left corner, click on the Effects tab. This will open up a panel with video transition, audio effects, titles, and OpenFX, which is where the main visual effects are located. Next, scroll through the OpenFX section to find effects like blur, glow, prism, and many others. You can also use the search bar to find a specific effect quickly. Once you find one you like, simply drag and drop it onto the clip in your timeline. After applying the effect, click on the clip, then go to the inspector panel in the top right. Here you will find the controls for the effect you added. You can adjust the intensity, position, and many other parameters depending on the effect. This gives you full creative control over how the effect appears in your video. You can also stack multiple effects on one clip by repeating the same steps, and each effect will appear as a layer you can add individually in the Inspector tab. And that's it. Now you know how to add effects in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.